Hello everybody and welcome. For no good reason, I decided that I can use my Octane to reinstall here the software on my router. One of my routers, yes. So the Octane has a serial port and I connected it to the router. And this should be enough to get me going. So let's try and see if I manage. So the first step here for us is to open the console. So let's go here to desktop and go to open Unix shell. For the sake of my sanity, I'll change to bash. And one thing that is very annoying, and I already did it in the SGI, is that you cannot change the connection speed when you load the console application. You need to first modify it on your computer. So if you edit etc/ucp/devices, you go down here and you have directed to ID2 instead of the 9600 bps default. I'll change to 115 200, and that's the default of both the pfSense installation and also the BIOS boot, the SIA BIOS boot running on the PC Engine's APU also runs at this speed. So I already restarted it, and then afterwards what you have to do is just launch CU pointing to the device TTY D2. The port speed is set on the devices. You press enter, and then you have to just power your device on, of course. And the boot sequence will begin. I do F10. No, that didn't register. I will reboot with 4. I don't think I'm booting from the USB stick now, so let's just wait until it ends and restart. Let's restart. Ah, there was the installer already, so I booted from the USB, so let's do exit. Let's see if Xterm looks better, not sure. Looks the same. I accept. Install pfSense. Default key map is fine. Let's do Auto ZFS is fine. And I guess since I have 2 disks, I can probably do mirroring using both the SSD and the onboard. So I have basically SSD device connected and another disk installed, so I have 2 of them. Should be all fine. I could perhaps encrypt the disks, but no, let's leave it. Anyway, proceed to installation. Destroy the data in the following disks, yes. Alright, the installation is running and it seems fine. Alright, installation is done. Let's see what happens. Do I want to do any final menu modifications? No. Let's reboot. Now remove the installation USB. The system is booting a fresh install. And the system is up. As you can see, it just works, and it's always good to have a device with a serial port available if you are dealing with this kind of old device or odd device. I'll turn this off now because I'm not gonna configure it at this moment, and I'll see you next time.